Here we have the frequency generator. On the left side we have the frequency buttons, the right side the duty cycle. The bottom line where it says 50 is the duty cycle. The top line is hertz. To change the hertz, you simply press up or down on the frequencies. If you hold it, it rapidly moves. So we can set it to maybe 532. Which is a great solfeggio for the heart. The duty cycle, if we look at the chart, it shows us how the duty cycle works. So 60%, 50%, 60%, 70%, those are all good values to keep it at. If it's at 100%, that means it's going to be on 100% of the time. If it's at 0%, it means that it's turned off. The higher the number on the duty cycle, the more power is being sent into the coils. Relative, because we have a separate amplifier that handles that. But essentially what you need to know is keep it between 40 and 60%, and that's great.